All right, so this is the leg press machine, predominantly focusing on your quad strengthening. Prior to getting into the machine, be sure you check the weight stack as it can change throughout. So make sure you read it before you actually get started. You'll see some of them are just a self-pull pin. Sometimes they'll have additional plates. So make sure you pay attention if it has an additional plate setting, that it does state 0 so you know what you're doing before you actually lift. Also on these machines, you'll want to check 2 settings. The seat sometimes will slide below you, and this will give you distance from the actual foot plate. So it can slide, so making sure that it's a proper angle. When you actually go to put your feet on the machine, you'll notice you're at a 90-degree angle. But also in the back, some machines will have an angle for the chair itself. So making sure you're kind of in a moderate, maybe a 45-degree angle for comfort. You probably don't want to sit straight up if you're new to this. So just find a comfortable angle for you and making sure that you can place your feet up. So once you place your feet up on the machine, you want to make sure that your knees are approximately over your hips. You don't want them completely under your chin, and you don't want them too far out because you won't get a full range of motion. Your feet placement can be literally hip width apart. If you choose a wider stance, that's not wrong. You're just going to change a little bit. The current position is more a parallel squat, and if you widen it out a little bit more, you'll just get a little bit more inner thigh. There's nothing wrong with that. It's not incorrect. You're going to still do the same actual range of motion. When you go to push in, be sure that you push forward out with your leg, but making sure that your back is fully supported by the pad. So when you press in, do not arch your back, making sure that your spine is pushing against the seat for full support.